I never knew my life could be a dream come true until I met you. You are my person, my best friend, my love, the other half of my heart that I never knew I needed. I loved you yesterday, I love you today, I will love you tomorrow, and I cannot wait to start this next chapter with you, because it is you and me forever.
Taylor. We met a little over 3 years ago, and right there at North Bar, and it was instant connection. And that next moment where we were able to kind of reconnect, I just kind of knew that this was it. It was go time. You've definitely given me a new lease on life. You make me feel young, you make me feel whole, and I've been so blessed to have you by my side as we've built our lives together.
Feel the stinger that departed when I left you broken hearted, but you were my
And if there's anything to know about my sister, it's that she wears her heart on her sleeve. I think just by looking at her face, you can always tell what she's feeling. More times than not, she's moody or frustrated, but I have to say the vast majority of the time she's with Corey, she's probably the happiest. She looks the safest and the most comfortable, the most herself that I've ever seen her.
Is it too much?
I love you with all my heart. I'm very happy that we get to move forward and build additional adventures, memories, and share our love together with us, with you by my side. So from this moment on, it's you and me forever.
And then a few months ago, I got to party with Corey and Taylor and some of their friends as their bachelor and bachelorette party. And there's rumors going around that I may have had too much to drink. But anyway, for the mile walk home from the bars to the home, she guided me home by the arm all the way. And you know what? I think that was a lightning moment for her too. Because as we were walking, she could look at Corey, she could look at me, look at Corey and go, man, that's what Corey's gonna look like in 25 years. This face sealed the deal. Welcome, Taylor, to the family. Corey, I love you. Cheers to everybody. Have a good time.
And with that, all right, let's do this, buddy.
Well, I was born country, but I was raised on a rock and roll.
Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful bride.
She can really put the spice in the line. She can show you how wrong can be right.
By the power vested in me through the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Corey, please kiss your bride.